Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to Vulcan Park in Birmingham, Alabama. Perched atop Red Mountain, this park is home to the world's largest cast iron statue, known as Vulcan. This impressive statue stands 56 feet tall and represents Vulcan, the Roman god of fire and forge. It was created in 1904 by Italian sculptor Giuseppe Moretti for the St. Louis World's Fair, showcasing Birmingham's rich iron and steel industry. After the fair, the statue returned to Birmingham and found its permanent home in Vulcan Park in 1939. Visitors can enjoy panoramic views of the city from the observation deck atop the 124-foot pedestal. The park also features a museum that delves into Birmingham's industrial history and the story of the Vulcan statue. The surrounding 10-acre green space offers a peaceful retreat with walking paths and picnic areas, making it a favorite spot for both locals and tourists.
Thanks for watching!